Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing one of the most talked about vlogging cameras right now, the Sony ZV-E10. Whether you're a content creator, YouTuber, or just love high quality video, this one is for you. Alright, so let's take a look at the packaging. Sony keeps it clean and minimal. On the box we have got a preview of what's inside in the specs on the box, like 4K video, interchangeable lens, and a flip out screen, and yes, it is really a great feature with this flip out screen. So first up, let's see what's inside. So here inside the box we've got the paperwork. So we've got warranty, quick start guide, and menus. So it's quite a big one here. Okay, there's another cover, so I can just remove the cover. Okay, so next we've got the USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. Great to see USB-C standard here. And here's the NPFW50 battery. So this one is the charger. And in here we've got the battery. So let's put this to the side. And we've got this battery inside this packaging here. So this is the battery right here. Then we've got the charger. Inside that we have a Sony charger. It's quite small, but it's 5-volt charger, and it's give out 1.5 amp with this charger. So it's a solid battery, so you probably need another battery. So here you probably need another one as a backup, because the battery rather seems quite small, so you probably need another small one. There is also a strap in here, so we've got a strap in here as well. Okay, so inside this paper, so we've got the wind muff for the built-in microphone. So vloggers, you're going to love this. And here the actual camera itself, the Sony ZV-E10 body itself. It is super light, compact, and it feels great in the hand. So it's fairly small. It's the size of my palm right here. It's got the lens already attached to the body. And here is a flip out screen. So you can kind of turn it, twist it, and turn it, and then close it. So let's appreciate the build for a second here. Fully articulating screen. We've got microphone input. So let's take a look at the cameras. Bottom here, we can open this one for the battery, so we can insert the battery in here. We've got the mount pot down here at the bottom. On the side here we can flip it open. Here we got USB-C port. We've got a small HDMI, and we've got a 3.5mm headphone jack right here. So fully articulating screen, microphone input, headphone jack, clean HDMI, and E-mount lens compatibility. It's got everything a creator needs in one small package. I'll be testing this over the next few days, but first impressions, this thing is built for a creator. It's compact, powerful, and priced well for what it offers. If you are thinking about upgrading your content game, this might just be your next camera. So subscribe if you miss out any full review, my full review and vlog test coming soon. Now subscribe so you don't miss out my full review and vlog test coming soon. We can put the battery in that way. It snaps right in place like so, and then I can lock it. Here at the top we can press on the button to turn it on. There's no power, so probably need to charge it first before we can actually use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.